Grabe, ate. Gusto na lang maging malasex bomb ka? Oy?
Gusto mo makitang maging malasex bomb ang ate Regina?
Naging part din ako ng sex bomb noong 2000 something.
2000
Kasi
something.
nag-concert kami ng asawa ko sa kabila.
Ayun, oo nga daw sa akin niya.
Sa kabila, di ba sumayaw tayo? It was a medley of songs, Songbird and the songwriter. And it was a medley of songs, Spaghetti Pababa, meron pa kayong isang kanta. Inaaral ko yun. Naka-boots din ako.
Grabe yung songbird ngayon ay sex bomb.
Yes. Akala niyo yung asawa ko lang, pati ako. Oo, pati ako. But thank you so much for making me part of this very, very special moment of your lives. Thank you so much for having me here tonight. And thank you everybody for being here tonight. This is really unprecedented. So congratulations, girls. We are so very proud of you. And wala akong masabi talagang sobrang proud na proud kami sa inyo.